everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today we are back for day 5 of our 7 days of spring soiree, and yesterday I drew the prompt to finish the magnifying cover, which I'd already finished, so I substituted that for a new project I was going to start to make an eyeglasses case for just on my desk. So I've made it. Here it is here. Let's move that out the way. So what I've done is I've done a row of French knots down the bottom. I have overcast stitched on my flowers. I've done a bit of seed stitch in the background in the white parts to sort of push it back. A little bit of lace there, a little bit of rick-rack, a couple of hexies. That one there you can only see a tiny part of the hexie, but the fabric underneath had crowns on it in black, and it, when I laid the flowers down, it didn't match, so I just made some hexies to put over the top to cover it. And then a piece of velvet ribbon. So it's very simple, it's all fully lined, and then my glasses I can just slip them in there when I'm not in the room, so then I don't have to bury them underneath something. So I'm very happy that that's done. So let us now draw another number for today's project. Christmas aprons. Oh, how fun. So the story behind these is we are allowed to make Christmas aprons for work. We're allowed to choose Christmas fabric, make our own aprons to wear in the season. So one of the girls at work, she made one, and she used one of our old ones as a backing, and she unpicked it all. She sewed the new fabric that she chose over the top and just put it all together. She put some trims on and it looked beautiful. Then she worked night shift and she got a bit grubby, and she washed her apron, and the red from the original work apron all ran through her new apron. So mine I have washed and I need to iron them, but I'll go and get them and I'll show you the fabric that I've chosen. Won't be a minute. Okay, so let's put those there. This is the original apron, so I've washed it. I've got to unpick it all, and then this is the fabric that I've chosen. And what I'm going to do is, so this gets sewn over the top of the original apron. Then I'll unpick the pocket, and then I'm going to put some of this fur trim along the top of the pocket and along the bottom of the apron. So that's my projects for today. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Thanks, bye.